Hello guys. Now today we are going to see the one more important property of triangles, which is height and distance. Okay, height and distance we already have learned in lower classes. Okay, the same concept I'm gonna give you here now. Height and distance means the relation between height and distance. Again, we are going to use a triangle here, but before that we need two small concept here to we should know basically. The what is a small concept we have actually, as you can see the video, definitely if your screen is in front of your eyes of sight will be line of sight, basically the by which you are seeing the screen will be same like a horizontal. Okay, you can see that, but if you want to see down and up you have to change your eye. Okay, the angle of eye, the same thing we are gonna I'm gonna explain here. So you can see here, this is called as line of observation. Okay, line of observation, or also this is also known as line of sight. Okay, means if you are at a point O and if you are seeing up at a point P, it this the basically eye contact between the person at O and at P will be called as line of sight. Okay, and this line wherever you are, it is, I'm not saying you are at the ground or then only you will call this horizontal, whatever. If you are there in a sky space also, as you know, wherever you will be standing, according to that you have to make your horizontal axis. So wherever you are standing, just assume that level as a horizontal level, and according to that start observing the things. Okay, if you are at the top of a building, or you are at the top of Burj Khalifa, you know this is the tallest building in this world. Okay, so if you're at the top of that and you're seeing down person, so the top base level will be the horizontal for the angle. So when you are at the top and seeing the down things, it means you are making the angle of observation basically with the horizontal level of that height. Okay, similarly when you are at down and seeing the top person, it means you are at the horizontal, at the ground will be the horizontal level, and you are seeing up, that is called as angle of elevation. Basically you are going up, angle of elevation, seeing down, angle of depression. So these two concepts are very good in this. So the same thing I explained here in this paragraph. So you can see, so again, line of observation, basically line of sight between the two objects, or you can say anything basically between two objects only. And this angle of theta, when you are seeing up it will angle of elevation, and when you are seeing down you can see here the angle of dispersion. Okay, depression. Okay, so angle of depression when, and your line of sight will be down in this case. Okay, so now let's see, we'll see some problems. So the problems will be like that. Again, you are at some top, you are observer, you are observing something, you are seeing something. So all those areas, these we can apply height and distance. Wherever you are seeing, you are watching something like, you know, some plane is going out in the sky and you are watching that plane. So you can find out if someone will say that okay, you have some height, the height of the plane from the ground, and the distance between the plane and the ground, and distance between you and the plane, and the angle. So you can find out if something is given, definitely you can find a third thing, as because we are going to use here trigonometric ratios only. So it is a just basic concept. Only one thing you have to remember, which angle you are making, from top to bottom or bottom to top. So angle of elevation or angle of depression, that is the most important part here. Okay, so we'll deal some problem based on this. Okay guys.